Alright, first thing you're going to do is go to app.cloudmessage.io and click enter, and it's going to ask you for login here. What you're going to do is click on login with Dash Manager. Click that, and up here it'll ask you for your username and password. Your username is going to be your email address. Password is going to be the password that I sent you in the email. And it'll bring you to this page right here, which is your Dash Manager for sending text messages. And we're going to go right here to conversations. You see, we don't have any conversations right now, but what you will do is click New Conversation, and you'll pick a recipient. You'll put a telephone number in there. I'll just put mine in there. Click Enter. Name on contact. You can name the contact right here. That's my name, so you can text me. I'm Jay from US Tech. And start conversation. Down here, what you do is just type out what you want to say. Hello there. And click send. And right now I got it on my cell phone. I got the text message. Okay, I got a acceptance greeting on the text message on my cell phone that I just texted. So I'm going to click start because that's what it's asking me to text start. So I did. So now I'm able to text message now. And then my text message went through. It says hello there. And from there, you only have to do that one time. But that's per number. If you call a new number, you're going to have to, the other person's going to have to accept the text message the first time, and then after that, they won't have to do that anymore. It's just to prevent spamming. So now I can say, how are you? You can hit enter. Well, actually, you're going to have to, looks like you're going to have to hit shift over here, that enter button there. I got it. And now we're replying back and forth. Reply back to you, and you're getting the text within 2 seconds of me sending it. And that's all there is to it.